Your hairstyle is the most important factor in achieving a glow up and determines if you appear either attractive or unattractive. But still, most people focus on things like achieving veiny arms and their eyebrows. And even though these things are surely important, your haircut is much more essential. Think of your hair like the foundation. When you have built up that foundation, you can focus on all these small details. Here's a full guide on how to genuinely achieve the hair you want. Number 1. Scalp care and hair care. At the very root of your hair is your scalp, the most important factor for healthy hair growth. A scalp care routine makes your new hair grow shinier, faster, and thicker. The same basic principles of skincare generally apply to scalp care as well. Consistently removing debris, dirt, and oil on your scalp is vital, as is hydrating it. Almost like your skin, your scalp can be either oily, dry, or normal. To find out your scalp type, you need to take a closer look at your hair. Most people will know if their hair is oily or not based on the frequency they must wash. An oily hair type may have to be washed every 1 to 2 days to avoid looking greasy, while a normal hair type can be able to go about 3 days without starting to feel greasy. Those with a dry scalp can wash their hair about once a week before noticing oil. By the way, people with dry skin are prone to a dry scalp, and the same for oily types. First of all, always brush your hair before you get into the shower because it helps loosen debris and then easily rinse it away. Use a scalp treatment or scrub that moves all dandruff and styling residue. Then, for a dry scalp, use a toner as many of them are formulated to be moisturizing. Ones with aloe vera are great. Try to shampoo your hair less frequently and use warm water instead of hot water. Wash your hair with a gentle moisturizing shampoo followed by a moisturizing conditioner. These moisturizing shampoos and conditioners will also make your hair shine and give it a healthy glow. Number 2. Hair mask. Hair masks can help against frizz and help with hair growth and repair. They are formulated with oils, butters, and other nourishing ingredients. These hydrating hair masks spend more time sinking into and nurturing hair than your average shampoo or conditioner, giving huge benefits in a single use. Look for ingredients like coconut oil, argan oil, shea butter, honey, avocado oil, and green tea. Number 3. Hair serums and oils. They are particularly recommended for special needs, such as porous ends or frizz. By using natural ingredients that supply your hair with important minerals, it makes your hair appear more vivid and glow. Texture, volume, and thickness. And of course, your hair won't be perfect after you wake up, so you need to style it the right way. Here, it really only comes down to practice, and trial and error. So, find some inspiration on Pinterest, pick some styles you like, and practice styling them. You should be able to see which ones have more volume and texture compared to your own hair. To add texture, you can use sea salt spray and work it in a scrunching motion, a texturizing powder, or a texturizing cream. Instead of a sea salt spray, you can also use a blow dryer and scrunch your hair to achieve more texture. To add volume to your hair, you can either use a volumizing shampoo and conditioner or a blow dryer combined with a round brush.